Guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing well. So we are from MOQ Solutions Company, and in today's video, we'll see how you can attach your products or items to a supplier or vendor, and at the same time, how you can set a maximum stock limit for your products. Sounds interesting, right? Let's get started. To attach your products to a supplier or vendor, simply click on the Products module and then hit Assign to Supplier. Here, all the suppliers you've added or the ones you're already purchasing from will be displayed. Now, to choose the supplier you want, just use the supplier name option, select your desired supplier, and then click Edit. Once you do that, all the categories, subcategories, and items you've added as products will be right there in front of you. How cool is that? If you want, you can attach items one by one using the item name option. Just select your item, check the status box, and boom, your item is now assigned to the supplier. Easy, right? Now here's something even better. If you have a business, you don't have to do this manually. Just use the bulk assign option. Search for a company, select it, and click Select All. That's it. All the products under that company will be assigned to the supplier in one go. No hassle at all. But wait, there's more. Want to save even more time? Then go for the Auto Select Products option. This will automatically attach all the products you've previously purchased from that supplier. Just one click and it's done. Amazing, right? Now, if you have a large volume of purchases, this process might take some time, so don't worry. Just give it a moment to load and save properly. Once done, you can check supplier-wise stock, pull out expiry reports, and even view low stock reports, all based on your supplier. How convenient is that? Oh, and if any item is running low on stock, you'll see it immediately, so you can reorder before it's too late. You can also generate supplier-wise reports for better inventory management. No more stock shortages, no more surprises. Now, let's talk about setting a maximum stock limit for your products. Want to do it? It's simple. Just go to the Products module, load your products in grid view, and edit them to set the maximum stock. Need to filter things out? Use the search criteria option. You can even set a supplier-wise maximum stock. Just search for your supplier and set the limit accordingly. Super easy, right? Click the Edit button and now set your maximum stock as per your business needs. 10 pieces, 20 pieces, bundles, you decide. And don't forget, the base unit option is there too. This lets you define stock limits in bundles or larger units, making things even more efficient. For example, if your product comes in packs, the software will recognize it when you enter 2, meaning 2 packs, 2 bundles, or 2 main units. That way, everything stays crystal clear. And guess what? When you're creating orders, you can change the units anytime. Once your inventory is supplier-wise distributed, you can generate supplier-wise or company-wise reports instantly. Just select your supplier and click the Report button. That's it. Your data is right there. So that's all for today. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.